Good evening. In this video I'm going to talk about some of the options that you can choose to do in the IT department. We offer ICT, which is iMedia, Enterprise and Computer Science. You'll now see a short clip explaining these options. One of the first courses I want to speak to you about tonight is the Creative iMedia course. Students will learn a wide range of ICT and media skills to create a series of interactive and multimedia products during this time. These products will include students being able to use industrial style programs that are currently used in industry by professionals to create a series of products. These products would include logos. In terms of digital graphics, students might also design front covers of magazines or the whole magazines themselves. Students will use programs like Adobe Dreamweaver to make fully functional interactive websites where students will be able to make websites which could be posted on the internet, and these websites will include media such as images, sound, video, animations. Students will also create prototype apps that could be installed on mobile devices. Again, using those skills of embedding media and also creating a navigation system. Students might be given the opportunity to create digital videos. Students will use equipment currently in school, such as tripods, video cameras, to collect this footage and then again use software and learn how to use software to edit these videos. Students will also use programs such as Comic Life in order to create comic strips using still images or animations. I want to talk to you about the course structure of the iMedia course. The first unit will be an exam, which is 75 minutes long, where students will have to demonstrate their understanding of how to design some of these interactive products using what we call pre-production documents. There is then 3 units of control assessment, which will be completed in lesson time. These are the units where the students will develop some of these fantastic products that we previously talked about in this presentation. Each unit is worth 25% of the final grade. Now I want to show you some of the fantastic work some of our previous students have created while studying this course. The first unit is the graphics unit, where students had to design a book cover for a new space novel set in Explorer. They then use Adobe Photoshop to create this design to make the finished product. Another unit is the interactive multimedia product unit, where students will develop prototype apps. In this scenario, students had to develop an app to promote a music festival. So again, students had to design the app first, creating visualization diagrams and storyboards. They then created this product in PowerPoint, ready to then be created in a final version in order to create the final app. And now I want to talk to you about some of the fantastic career links from this course. So as I mentioned before, Creative iMedia course provides students with a range of IT and media studies skills. This provides them with keys to open many doors at college or sixth form, and then to springboard them into a wide range of possible careers. I just want to talk about a few examples of some of those careers that the students and your children could possibly achieve. So they could become project managers. They will develop skills, and this is when they lead a team of designers to create a project for an organisation. They will develop obviously key important skills such as time management, leadership, teamwork. They could become website designers, where they will develop multimedia and interactive websites for clients and organisations. A massive industry to get into. They could become digital graphic artists, where they design high quality graphics for clients. These can range from logos and creating full magazines. I will now hand you over to Mr. Trainer, who is going to explain the computer science course.
Hello. My name is Mr. Trainer, and I'm here to convince you to choose computer science. So why choose computer science? Well, it's a part of everyday life now, and we want to make sure that every student is not only able to use ICT, but is also able to program a computer as well. We will challenge you to develop skills in logical thinking to enable problem solving, digital numeracy to support logical thinking and reasoning, and project planning to identify and meet desired goals. All of these are transferable skills that will support you throughout your education and beyond. Students who choose our course have an inquisitive nature. They love to take a computer apart and look at all the different components that live inside its shell. They are bold and excited by the opportunities that technology can give them. Students who enjoy our course want to code. They find it exciting and stimulating. It allows them to be creative, and we provide the tools that will foster that development of the imagination. We will introduce you to the world of Python programming language. You will quickly learn that Python is easy to use, powerful and versatile. This makes it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. The technology industry is one of the most dynamic in the UK, and yet we have a skills shortage, particularly in coding. Some of the greatest shortages are felt here in Yorkshire. Any quick search for job vacancies where experience of Python code is valuable will return results that show lots of opportunities and high financial rewards. I'm also here to promote gender diversity across the tech sector. Encouraging girls with the possibility of an education and career in technology is another way that we can help address the skills shortage. If what you have just heard has inspired you to choose a pathway that includes computer science, or have any further questions, please contact the ICT faculty. Thank you.
Finally, I now want to talk to you about the Enterprise and Marketing course that we also offer. This is when students will study how a business operates and is set up, and some of the key features of what a business needs in order to be successful. In this course, students will be given the opportunity to design and pitch a business proposal. They will learn about important things in regards to business in terms of market research, being able to identify a gap in the market, develop a product that a customer wants, look at the finances, such as profit and loss and break even, look at branding and how a business successfully markets and advertises a product to a customer. They will also develop presentation skills, as they will need to pitch their business proposal to a small audience. Now I want to talk to you about the course structure of the Enterprise and Marketing course. There is one 1 hour and 30-minute written exam which covers the theory of business and enterprise, and this will be worth 50% of the final grade. There are 2 controlled assessment or coursework units in this course. The first unit, students will develop a business proposal for a given scenario. This will include them carrying out market research, product development, and looking at the finance of the product to see if it will be successful in business and viable. The second unit links with the first unit, and in the second unit they will take their business proposal and present it in a Dragon's Den style pitch to a small audience, explaining their product, explaining how it can be successful. Each coursework unit is worth 25% of the final grade. I now want to show you a video that some of our creative iMedia and business students have created to advertise the business course. I hope you enjoy it.
Business plan is flawed. Your predicted outgoings are astronomical, and from what I can see, you haven't even got any incomings. I mean, how is this even a business? Because unless I'm missing something really big here, you propose the large-scale manufacture of toys with a global distribution without any charge to consumers. They just get it for free. Well, you might be onto something there, but for Pete's sake, go and see my tailor.
like to thank you for joining us this evening. If you have any other questions regarding the options that the IT department offer, please get in touch with us. There is contact information on the screen now for the different teachers that will be teaching iMedia, Computer Science or Enterprise. We will be available after this video to take any questions you might have. Again, thank you for joining us tonight.